So it's been a while, and this time I came with the EXO Nature Republic stand-ups. Standees? Stand-ups. Something like that. So I have one of each. Oh, okay. I have one of each member. I mean, two of each member. And prices and other information will be in the description box below. So as you can see, they're completely brand new and unopened. And maybe I was just assuming they'd be smaller, but they were a lot bigger than I expected them to be. They're about twice the height of the Miracles in December snow globe standees. Stand-up standees. And so for size comparison purposes, it's about here. Yep. So all prices will be below. So bye. Feel free to ask questions.